Welcome, I'm Jason with Cerakote. In today's video, we will demonstrate the process to disassemble a Graco robotic spray gun to replace a fluid packing. The reason for replacement is when the internal seals have failed and allow coating migration into the precision adjustment knob. Also, a failed fluid packing may also drag against the needle and cause the gun to fire late or return slowly. Both of these can cause coating coverage issues. The supplies and tools required are a pair of gloves, a clean microfiber towel, the spray gun needing service, the new fluid packing, a tube of Graco grease, the factory 10mm Graco nut driver, and a small pair of pliers. Begin by unthreading the precision adjustment knob from the housing. Remove the knob and the spring. With a small pair of pliers, carefully remove the piston and needle assembly from the spray gun. Using the supplied nut driver, loosen the fluid packing from the housing. Apply a thin film of Graco grease lubricant to the O-ring on the new fluid packing. Then use the nut driver to install. Hand tighten, do not over torque. Clean the old grease from the inside of the piston housing. Apply a thin film and spread with your finger. Next, clean and apply a thin film of Graco grease lubricant to the piston. Install the piston and the needle assembly into the spray gun. Reinstall the return spring and the knob. Make sure during installation that the return spring is square and not crooked inside the gun. Hand tighten the knob, and that completes the assembly process. And that concludes the replacement procedure of your Graco fluid packing. Thanks for watching.